Okay, last class we discussed up to here line, rectangle and slots. We completed these three now. Next we go for circle. Already we completed circle and arc also. Next we have polygon or a hexagon. Okay, just you can select any one plane and click on sketch. Automatically you will go to sketcher interface. In this sketcher interface what is your requirement of profile, you can select that shape and you can draw directly. Okay, here I selected polygon. Polygon means nothing but a three or more than three sides we consider as a polygon. For example, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, hectagon, octagon, these all we consider as a polygon. At the same time, in this polygon we have two types inscribed circle and circumscribed circle. Okay, inscribed polygon and circumscribed polygon. Which type you need, you can mention that type. Okay, for example, you can see here we have 6 means hexagon. If you need 5, you can mention here 5. If you need 4, you can mention here 4. For example, I need 5 pentagon, you can specify center point of here. Okay, next you can mention your radius of circle. Okay, for example, I need here, just you can see this is inscribed. See, our reference circle we have inner side, not a outer. For example, if you need outer, okay, that condition you can select this one and you can specify like this. See, you got outer. Based on this you need to edit this one, based on this you need to edit this one. Okay. Next, for example, I need hexagon, you can specify 6. See, this one is hexagon. Next, delete. Okay, after this we have spline. Undefined shapes creation purpose we need spline like this. Okay, next we have style spline like this. This is style spline. Okay, based on this vertexes we can edit our spline like this. Okay, next this is equation driven curve. We need to mention our equation, same spline, but this spline we are not using. Just you can go ellipse. Here we have ellipse now. What is the difference of circle and ellipse? Circle means we have 0 to 360 degrees, same radius or same dimension, but you will take elliptical condition or shape is different, compulsory shape is different. Just you can see, you can say this is circle, this is ellipse, but in dimensional also we have different. Okay, 0 to 360 we have variation in circle and ellipse both. Okay, in elliptical condition we have two, that is major axis and minor axis. Based on that two we need to specify our distances. Okay. Next, just go here ellipse, you can specify like this. Okay, this is called major, this is called minor. Okay, which one you need, you can apply that one. And here we have partial ellipse. Partial ellipse means nothing but a elliptical arc. Okay, we are using elliptical arcs also, some conditions, not every condition. Mostly we are using fillet arcs. Some conditions we are using this type of elliptical arcs. Next, parabola. Specify first, second, third point and fourth point like this. Okay, this is center. Next, apex, you can specify starting and ending of the model. Circle, same as well as you can try for conic, you can mention like this. This is cone. Okay, here also we need to mention 4 points. Next, you can go for sketch fillet. Sketch fillet means, for example, I have one rectangle like this. Okay, for this rectangle I need to apply fillet. Go here, sketch fillet. Okay, specify radius for fillet, this one and this one, this one and this one, this one, this one, here, here. You can apply like this. If you need to change here, you can change directly, increase it now. Okay, based on your requirement. At a time we can apply, separate we can apply. For example, I need only 2 corners. That condition what you do means directly. Here we have fillet, you can select fillet. Fillet means nothing but a sharp corner converted into curved shape, that is called as a fillet. Here directly you can select this vertex also. Vertex also applicable, or otherwise you can select your first and second entities, both are applicable. Next, chamfer. Select sketch chamfer. You can select your first entity, second entity. You will get like this. For example, if you need different chamfer, like one side I need 15, one side I need different. See, here we have two methods for that. First one is angle distance method, second one is distance method. Angle method means nothing but a, we need to specify one distance, either x or y, at the same time horizontal or vertical. We need to specify one angle. Distance method means we need to specify two distances, x distance, horizontal distance, and vertical distance both. Okay, which distance you need, you can specify the distance. Here we have 10 10. I don't need equally, you can have this one. Okay, now you can specify, for example, I need 15. Okay, horizontal line I need 15, vertical line I need 10. See now, again I need to change. Go here, chamfer, this one. See, this type of conditions applicable. Next, you can go for next. This is our chamfer. Next, here we have text. If you need text, directly you can write text. SolidWorks, sorry, here you can mention your text. You can write like this. Okay, next point, where you need your reference point, you can apply directly. Next, we have trim entities, convert entities. Okay, at the same time offset entities, mirror entities. What is this all means? First of all, we will discuss about trim entity. Trim means, why we are using trim? Trim means nothing but a removing purpose. Okay, you can remove your lines, extra lines, simply we say that. Okay, unwanted portion removing purpose, we need a trim command. Here we have trim entities, extend entities. What is the difference of these two means? You can specify here to here. I am applying like this, 4 or 5 lines. Okay, I have like this. In this condition, here we have trim, just you can select this trim. Here we have totally 5 options: power trim, corner, trim away inside, trim away outside, and closest to trim. Okay, power trim you can select, you can remove like this. This is called power trim. Okay, but I don't need power trim. Okay, here we have corner. For example, if you need corner, this one, you will get corner like this. If you need corner here, like this is called corner. Trim away inside. Inside means we need to select this line to this line. Okay, these 3 lines I need to remove. Trim away inside. Now you can select directly like this. Remove it. Trim away inside. For example, if you need trim away outside, that condition you can select a trim, click on this one. Okay, select this one and this one. Now you can select trim away outside. See, outside lines removing this is trim away outside. Next, trim to closest means which portion you no need, you can select that portion directly, automatically removing. You can select any portion single entity also removing, that's not a problem here. Okay, which portion you no need, you can select that portion directly, that is trim closest. Okay, now these are our trim types. Next, I have one more line at here. Okay, this type of condition I need to do extend. Extend means here you can see extend entities is there now. You can select this extend entity, you can apply like this. Definitely we need support, without support we can't extend. Okay, this is extend. Next you can go for convert entity. Okay, this convert entity I will explain in 3D, not a 2D. Okay, next you can go for offset entity. Offset means creating duplicate with exact distance. Okay, we have already that profile, we can create one more duplicate for that with exact distance, that is called as the offset, nothing but a copy. You can draw one rectangle like this. Okay, now I need to do offset. Here we have offset entities. Just you can specify your offset, how much of offset you need 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that is your requirement, how much you need, you mention that much. For example, I need 5, you can specify, or 2, 1. See, complete rectangle came now. For example, I need only one entity, not a complete. That condition, you can remove this select chain, only you will get one. Here you can select your select chain, you will get completely. If you need reverse, this is outside direction, here you have arrow, you need inside, that condition you can select bidirectional. Okay, or you can remove this one, you can select reverse direction. Reverse direction means you will get inner. In case you don't need reverse direction, you will get outer. That is your requirement. Bidirectionally you will get both sides. Okay, this is our offset. If you need single entity, you can off this select and this one. Single entity bidirectional, you can mention like this. Okay, if you need increase your dimension, you can mention like this. I don't need now. This is our offset entities. Offset entities means nothing but a removing, sorry, creating duplicate with exact distance. Next, mirror entity. Mirror entity means we need one center line for this. You can go here, and here we have one center line, you can mention like this, here to here. Now you can select that, apply. Okay, but not came now. Why? We have one reason for that. You selected, after select mirror entity, here we have mirror about, you can select this one and you can select this line, then it will come, otherwise it won't come. Next, if you don't need copy, you can off this one, you can, okay, automatically deleted your original item, only you can get duplicate item. For example, I need both items, original at the same time duplicate. That type of situation, what you do, just go here mirror entity and select this mirror about and click on here. This is okay, but we not mentioned a copy item, that's why just you can select your copy mirror about, you can select like this, then you can do okay. This is our rectangular mirror. Okay, mirror entities. If you need any mirror, you can do like this. Now you can delete this all. Next, here we have linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern. Now I will draw one rectangle here to here. Okay. First of all, I need to do linear pattern. Just you can select this, here you will go to linear pattern, linear sketch pattern. Okay, you can select that linear sketch pattern. How many entities you need 10 items. For example, I need 5 columns and 3 rows or 4 rows. That condition you can specify here 5 columns. See, at the same time 3 rows. That condition you can on this second direction, you can increase your items, then you will get automatically. Okay, if you need to adjust your distance, here we have 10, here we have 10. If you need any adjustments, you can apply. like this. Okay, if you need to increase this one, you can apply here. Okay, this is angle, you will get like this. Okay. This is linear sketch pattern. See, but I don't need linear sketch pattern, I need circular sketch pattern. You can go with circular sketch pattern. Here we need to mention our center point, that is must. How many items you need? I need 80 items. Just you can see this is 8 items. You can mention like this. Next, for example, I have one circular plate. In that circular plate I have some dimensions. Okay, you can specify this smart dimension, you can apply like this. For example, 100 plate. So okay, you can specify your smart dimension 5. You can select this one. Okay, here you have circular sketch pattern automatically coming, but I don't have like this. I have one more circle at here. Based on this I need to do pattern. Now you can select this one. Okay, go here, circular sketch pattern, automatically taking this point. This point changing purpose, what you do here, you have parameters. In that parameters we have one option, point selection. Okay, go here, just right click here, clear selections. Okay, now you can select which point you need a origin, you need a reference. You can select that point. For example, I need a reference this point, I now need this point. Okay, that's why you can clear selection, and after you can select based on your requirement reference. Next, you can specify your number of items. Okay, then you can do okay. This is our process, this is our circular sketch pattern. Now we completed up to here. Next we can try one sketch here, basic sketch. Example, here we have some sketches. I need to create this sketch. How can we create this sketch? First we can try now. Here we have 3 means you will take as a 30, 22.5, 15, 20 like that you will take. It is easy for you. Now I am taking here first one. Okay, here to here, and if you need dimension directly you can mention dimension for this. How much we have? Just 30, you can mention 30. Okay, at the same time if you need symmetrical figure you can select this one and this one. I need 15 here. Now you can see this is symmetrical. Now you can mention line, you can specify here. Okay, smart dimension, you can mention here 15. Select this one, this one. How much? 7.5. if you need you can check here. 7.5, this side you have 5. 15, 20 means 20, 15, 5. Here you can mention 5. Okay, next you can mention this dimension 10. Next 2.5, this one for example, and you will take this dimension 7.5. Okay, next you can specify this line and this line 30. Okay, next you can select this one here to here 5. At the same time this point to here 7.5. see, now we completed our figure. Now if you have any doubt you can check all dimension, you will get same. Tell me. That is your requirement. Okay, now we completed our model easily. You can try same this one also, and this all. Okay, next we can go for some complicated. I need to create this one. How can we create? Just you can see, I'm deleting this one. First I'm taking this circle radius 30 and diameter 20 and diameter 30, totally these three cells is there. Okay, next you can mention three circles here, smart dimension. Here you can mention 60 diameter, 30 radius means 60 diameter, no, 30 diameter, and here you can mention 20. Okay, next you can mention your line. Go here to here, totally 96 is there na. This is radius 20, this is diameter 20. Okay, and now you can mention here two circles, smart dimension. You can mention here 20 diameter and 20 radius means 40 diameter. Next you can take here to here, you can mention like this. At the same time you can mention dimension for this. How much? 66 I think, just you can check once. Okay, here to here we have only 60 up to here. Okay, you can mention 60. Okay, now you will take one more line here to, you can mention like this. Okay, now you can mention your radius value here. Okay, or otherwise you can mention one circle also, that is your requirement. You can take fillet, you can mention 10. Okay, the fillet could not be added. Okay, this type of condition, this side we have 10 distance, 10 difference here to here. Okay, and here you have 15 radius. How can you tell? By using arc we can try. 3-point arc, select this one point, at the same time you can take this point and you can apply like this. Okay, at the same time you can take smart dimension here to this line. We need to mention 15 radius now this side, like elliptical fillet. Okay, and at the same time this side we need how much? 10. If you have any doubt you can check here to here. 10 is there now. Okay, not a problem. Now this is okay now. Now you can remove this one. Take trim lines, you can remove this portion. Yes, this one and this one. Okay, if you need a tangency you can apply that tangency also. Okay, here you have relations for the tangency all. Where is that? Here you have display or delete relation and add relation. You can select add relation and select this one, this one. You can apply tangency mode. You will get exact dimension. Okay. Same you can do mirror this side. You can select this all. Okay, directly you can do mirror, select this one. Sorry, you can remove this line, delete, go here, select this mirror line, then you can do okay. See, now you can go with the trim. Okay, now completed now. This is our model. Now we will try one more example. You can try this one. Okay, why means remaining we have hatches now. Hatches are not applicable here, that's why I have taken small model, easy sketch. Okay, now we can try this one. Just can create now, delete this. Okay, next you can select, or you will take one midline, center line, or midpoint line. Okay, here we have here to here 34, here to here 34. Okay, now you can select this midpoint, select this dimension, here to here you can apply 34 means 68. Okay, next you will take circle, here to here, here to here. Okay, now you can mention dimension how much, 58. You can mention here 58 diameter, same as well as you can apply here also. Next you will take one reference circle, see, 8 holes 10 diameter, 6 holes 8 diameter. Diameter, sorry, this is not a 40, just check once. Here we have 40 dia, 36 dia, you can mention that too. Now you will take one more circle. Here we have 10 diameter na? You can select this one, apply here 10. Now select this one. Now we need circular sketch pattern. Okay, now you can clear this one, delete. You can select based on your requirement. I need this one. Okay, how much we need? 8 holes totally. 8 holes, here you can mention 8, then you can do okay. Okay, now you can select this one, delete. Okay, same as well as you can try it here. How much this diameter? 36 diameter, 6 holes 8 dia. Now I am taking here 8 dia, select this one, go to circular sketch pattern, and here also you can delete, and you can take your reference point here and apply 6 holes. See, now we completed this one, this one. Next you can go for left side and right side items. This portion we need to create, and this portion we need to create. Just you can see in this portion, here to here we have one line. Okay, 40. Okay, this is 22 diameter and 20 radius. Now take one more midline here, select this portion, you can mention like this. Okay, now take dimension line, you can mention here to here. How much we need? 40 means 80. Okay, we got 2 centers. Now you will take circle, here to here, here to here, at the same time here also one circle. 22 diameter. Fillet, how much of this is there? 15 radius. You can specify here. Wait, delete. Now you can select fillet, apply this line and here, but not applicable, just you can see. Now I will show how can we apply. Here to here you can apply. Okay, now you can remove this one, trim, remove. Now you can apply once, take fillet, select this one, sorry, or otherwise you will take 3 pointer. Actually this type of fillets we are applying in 3D. 3D is better for editing and everything also. Okay, first of all you can do tangency for this. You can apply dimension for this one also, 40. Then okay, next you can apply relation for this. Add relation, select this circle, and you can apply tangency. Then you can do okay. Same as well as you can apply this one, control. Okay, apply tangency once again. Okay, in this tangency condition applied, but you can delete this one. Once you can check your dimension editor here, 46. Here we need to change. Okay, that's why this type of sketching is complicated. That's why we need to create one by one, like manufacturing type. One by one we need to create, and one by one we need to do operation. That is easy to actual condition. Okay, now I am taking one more circle, this point and this point I am selecting. I am applying like this. Okay, now we don't have any relations. You can select this line and this circle, then you can apply relation here, tangency. You got tangency now. At the same time you can select this circle, this line, tangency. You got exactly now. Now you can mention your dimension for this, 15. See, same as well as you can apply this side. You can select this one, okay, and you will take mirror entities, mirror about. Okay, next you will take one more circle. How much this diameter? 16 diameter and 20 radius. You can go 40 diameter, 20 radius, and this is 16 diameter. Okay, then now you can take line here, exactly this portion to this portion tangent. Okay, next exactly we'll take one more line. You got two tangencies. Okay, if you need tangency for this, you can select this line, tangency. Okay, now you can see we completed our figure now. But this figure here we don't have any circles. We need to remove the circles now. Go to trim and you can select this one, at the same time this one. You can zoom once. Here also we need to remove, same as well as here. Okay, now remove now. Next you can delete this middle circle, this circle. This is sketch. If you need to do sketching, but this is not a actual procedure, but sketching practice you need, you can do like that. Okay.